Okay, pero thank you so much for that beautiful walk, Gwen.
Thank you.
Gwen, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Zero pressure.
Beautiful answer.
Knox!
Okay.
Confident?
Gwen, your question is this.
From Nicola Ruth Madreo Papera. Can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blooms would be surprised to hear?
Oh,
Naglaga na ba daw?
let me think. Okay, so minsan sa mga arena, kasi after ng concert, doon kami naliligo sa arena. And minsan, hindi ganun karami yung shower room.
Ah.
So, minsan yung girls, yung doon sa kama na sila.
Oh no!
Alam niyo na ate, minsan nagsasabay-sabay kami maligo. Kasi
Oh my goodness!
pero okay lang yan. Babe, hindi minsan, lahat buong tour namin. Binibigay ko na nga eh. Pero minsan, si Nico, yung isa kasama. Alam, dapat din si Gwen. Next room tour. Or Holy Goods. Oh my my. Okay na daw yun. Okay.
Ano, bakit kasi masaya na siya sa $80 ticket? Okay na, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.